legit. Anything you want.
JP Morgan Analysts, Bitcoin price could sink even further, crypto values unproven. Analysts at P. Morgan have predicted that Bitcoin BTC could fall below $1,260, while ANX will not benefit from blockchain or at least 3 to 5 years, Reuters reported on January 24. According to Reuters, analysts from the major global investment bank think that the true value of cryptos is still unproven, and that they only make sense in a hypothetical dystopian event, wherein investors have lost faith in major traditional assets like gold and the US dollar. The analyst stated in a report, "Then in extreme scenarios such as a recession or a financial crisis, there are more liquid and less complicated instruments for transacting, investing and hedging than cryptocurrencies." JP Morgan also said that institutional involvement in the crypto market has slumped over the past 6 months, with individual traders making up the majority of the market. In its crypto report, the company claimed that using crypto for payments will remain challenged, adding that the firm was unable to find any major retailers that accepted crypto in 2018. JP Morgan's analysts have further suggested that Bitcoin is likely to drop to around $2,400, and could even fall below $1,260 if the current bear market persists. At press time, the biggest cryptocurrency is trading at $3,595, down around 1.7% over the past week, according to data from CoinMarketCap. While JP Morgan forecasted that idly hyped blockchain technology will not make any real difference for banks at least 3 to 5 years, the investment bank still concluded that distributed ledger technology (DLT) has potential to cut costs for global banks and digitize various complex processes. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon is vocally critical of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, which he later wrote in September 2017. While previously touting that he does not really give a shit about Bitcoin, he admits blockchain's potential, saying, "Blockchain is real, it's technology, but Bitcoin is not the same as a fiat currency." Crypto startup CEO, feeling is that Bitcoin BTC will fall under $3,000. Bitcoin price will get worse before it gets better. Vinny Lingham, CEO of Civic, a blockchain startup focused on facilitating a so-called secure identity ecosystem, recently sat down with Cointelegraph for the outlet's Hodler's Digest weekly report. Lingham, a longtime entrepreneur in the nascent crypto industry and a hawk on South Africa's Shark Tank panel, claimed that he expects for Bitcoin BTC to fall in the near future. Speaking to the crypto outlet in an exclusive interview, Lingham noted that as it stands, a majority of people are very skeptical about cryptocurrencies, adding that he believes that's a good thing. He explained that this is about crypto's adoption cycle curve, noting that there is minimal real-world adoption, as Bitcoin and other assets are primarily used as a speculative medium. So, Lingham stated that this industry will need to prove itself by building products, solutions, and services that have value, catalyzing adoption, subsequently pushing the market higher over time. Yet, he explained that for many proposed in the works blockchain projects, the improvements envisioned are quixotic and likely unattainable at current development rates. He specifically used the term "pipe dream," adding that only 3 to 5% of current tokens will survive this so-called crypto winter. Continuing on this theme of bearish sentiment, the Civic C-suite had noted that there's a high likelihood that 2018/2019's bear market hasn't hit a long-term bottom yet. He simply stated that here more pain to come, elaborating by noting that things get worse before they get better. Lingham explained that the Bitcoin price is likely to fall under $3,000, citing his gut feeling, which has developed over his 3+ years of experience in the crypto realm. Interestingly, he noted that if the asset doesn't break out of this $3,000 - $4,000 range in the coming months, TCLIP&T will go on forever. Lingham's most recent comments come just weeks after the industry CEO claimed that Bitcoin will remain in a bearish state for 6 more months. Per previous reports from Ethereum World News, speaking with CNBC, the Civic chief explained that Bitcoin will likely remain range-bound between $3,000 and $5,000 or a while. Giving his claim more specificity, Lingham explained that trading within the aforementioned $2,000 wide range is likely to continue for a minimum of 3 to 6 months, a common timeline in the eyes of Bitcoin's short-term bears. Forbes crypto article indicates bull case, not further lows. In spite of Lingham's quite harrowing comments, other industry analysts painted more optimistic pictures for Bitcoin's future. A recent article from Forbes contributor Charles Bouvard claimed that sentiment on the cryptocurrency market is heading higher. Per data from Joshua Frank, the co-founder of crypto analytics provider The Tie, Bitcoin's daily sentiment score has been in the positive for all of 2019 so far, indicating that BTC could post further gains. And according to technical data from Crypto Patterns' John Pearlstone, Bitcoin is showing multiple bullish signs that may allow the asset to rest at $4,500 in the near future. John didn't mention what measures he was citing, but considering previous reports from Ethereum World News, there are a number of cryptocurrency technicals that are looking more bullish than bearish. But even still, the optimists were met with their fair share of rebuttals and opposite opinions. Per our previous thesis, TC's move past $4,000 still hasn't put it past a Ethereum-level thickness cluster of resistance. Trader Murad Mahmudov explained that the longer we fail to surpass key price levels, the more inclined traders should be to take shorts.